Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna unbox and review and talk about its specifications after the 1 month of use of this Moto G57 Power. So let's start the video. So friends, here is the mobile phone, our Moto G57, and this is the mobile phone, and I have ordered this blue in color. And under the box you are going to find this mini box, friends, and under it you will get here the manual guides. Here you will also getting this USB to Type-C, and this is the adapter, which is the here in year 33. So let's keep this all on the side and talk about the features of Moto G57 Power. And friends, while I'm talking about this specification, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, do you know that it has the 7000 mAh battery, and it can easily last to 2 full days for moderate users and like 1.5 days for every heavy use, and it remains its biggest selling point. And its Snapdragon is the 6S Gen 4, and it can handle the social media, multitasking and web browsing smoothly. However, since it uses UFS 2.2 storage, some users note that apps take a second longer to load compared to more expensive phones. If you look about the gamings like Free Fire, Call of Duty, Fortnite, etc., it handles casual games well. It runs smoothly at medium settings, but after 30 to 40 minutes of continuous of playing games, the heat will be a little bit shown. And about the camera, friends, the Sony LYTIA Lithium 600 sensor produces the natural and detailed photos in daylight, and low light performance is decent but not groundbreaking. And under the camera you are going to find this many type of features like scan, night vision, panorama, ultra rays, photo booth, time lapse, dual capture. Here it is. And after the use of 1 month, the pros and cons of Moto G57 Power. The exceptional endurance is that really need to carry a power bank. And about the build quality, it's the MIL STD 810H certification and Gorilla Glass 7i make it very durable against the accidental drops. And its software is the Motorola Hello UI Android 16. Is clean and mostly free of bloatware compared to rivals. And its cons is that the charging speed, the battery is so huge, the 30-watt charger feels slow, and it takes over 2 hours to reach 100%. And its weight is around 210 gram. It feels a bit bulky and heavy in the hand during long calls. And about the updates on Motorola has only promised 1 year of OS updates up to Android 17, which is lower than some other competitors. And about the price of Moto G57 Power, it has stabilized around 13,999 to 14,999 in India, making it one of the best value for money power phones in the budget segment. This phone was launched at 14,999, but during this sale on Republic Day sale offers January 2026, in this year you can get it for an effective price of 12,999 under the instant discount of 1,000 on ICICI Bank or SBI and Axis Bank credit cards, and effective price 12,999, lowest price since launch, and exchange offer up to 11,000 discount depending on your old phone conditions. So this is all about the Moto G57. If you're interested, you can check on link description. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.